Hello YouTube, Awesome Lego Master here, and today I had to wake up early for school at 6 o'clock, so I set my alarm clock to 6 o'clock, and it decides not to ring, so I wake up a half hour late and have to rush like hell just to get there on time. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a broken alarm clock. Okay, and what you will need is a broken alarm clock and a pair of safety glasses to protect your eyes from what we're going to do. Okay guys, so I got my alarm clock set up on the chair right there, and now I'm going to show you what we do to fix it. Just hold on a sec. This is the only tool you'll need for the job. Let's switch to full auto. I think we fixed it. Let's check. Okay, so we have some good effect on target here. As you can see, the alarm clock is all fixed now and will work perfectly. I can set my alarm, and now it can start ringing, and I'll be able to wake up on time. Of course, you have to clean up the mess first, but then you will have an accurate alarm clock to use. And it's probably a lot louder now, so even those really lazy people can get up. I'm Awesome Lego Master. Thanks for watching my video.